The rise of e-bike conversions has made it easier than ever to electrify your ride without buying an entirely new bike. Among the top contenders for 2025 are the LIVALL PikaBoost 2 and the Rubbee X, both offering innovative features and impressive performance. But with so many options to choose from, how do you know which conversion kit is truly the best? Let's find out. The LIVALL PikaBoost 2 showcases a compact, all-in-one design that integrates the motor, battery, control system, LED taillights, and a fall detection and SOS alert system. This cohesive integration not only enhances the aesthetic appeal, but also simplifies the installation process, reducing potential points of failure. Weighing approximately 3 kilograms, the PikaBoost 2 maintains a balance between sturdiness and portability, ensuring minimal impact on the bike's handling characteristics. In contrast, the Rubbee X emphasizes modularity with a sleek design that allows users to customize their e-bike experience. The base unit weighs about 2.8 kilograms and features a modular battery system, enabling riders to adjust the number of battery modules based on their desired range and performance. This flexibility caters to a broader audience, from casual commuters to long-distance cyclists. The Rubbee X takes the lead here for its modular design, offers greater flexibility and customization. The PikaBoost 2 is equipped with a 250-watt motor that can peak at 500 watts, providing robust assistance for various terrains, including steep inclines. This power enables riders to reach speeds of up to 20 miles per hour, depending on local regulations. The Rubbee X, in its standard configuration, also features a 250-watt motor, supporting speeds up to 16 miles per hour. However, by adding additional battery modules, users can boost the motor's power to 350 watts, increasing the top speed to 20 miles per hour. This scalability allows riders to enhance performance as needed. The winner, Rubbee X, for its ability to upgrade the motor's power and speed by adding battery modules, provides users with scalable performance options. The PikaBoost 2 offers 2 battery options. The Essential Edition offers one 58-watt-hour lithium-ion battery, delivering a range of up to 70 kilometers on a single charge. The Powerful Edition offers a 220-watt-hour battery, extending the range to 96 kilometers. Both variants require approximately 3 hours for a full charge, balancing range, and charging convenience. In contrast, the Rubbee X employs a modular battery system, with each 36-volt, 93.5 watt-hour module providing an additional 16 kilometers of range. Users can install up to 3 modules, achieving a total range of 48 kilometers. Each module charges fully in about 1 hour, allowing for quick replenishment. With a maximum range of up to 96 kilometers, the PikaBoost 2 surpasses the Rubbee X's 48 kilometers, offering longer uninterrupted rides. The PikaBoost 2 requires approximately 3 hours to fully charge its battery, regardless of the edition. The Rubbee X's modular batteries each take about 1 hour to charge fully. Therefore, charging all 3 modules sequentially would total approximately 3 hours. As both systems require a similar total charging time, when considering the maximum battery capacity, the result is drawn here. The PikaBoost 2 is designed for quick installation, allowing users to electrify their bikes in under a minute without special tools. It is compatible with seat posts ranging from 25.4mm to 34.9mm in diameter and fits wheel sizes between 14 to 29 inches with tire widths of 25 to 65mm. However, it is not suitable for carbon fiber and D-shaped seat posts. The Rubbee X also offers straightforward installation without the need for specialized tools. It accommodates wheel sizes from 16 to 29 inches, tyre widths between 0.5 to 2.5 inches, and seat post diameters of 22 to 35 millimeters. Both kits provide user-friendly installation processes, and broad compatibility with various bicycle specifications makes the result tied. The LIVALL PikaBoost 2 offers several riding modes to cater to different cycling needs. The Power Assist mode increases power output as the rider's speed rises, while the Adaptive mode adjusts motor assistance based on real-time riding conditions. The Battery Saver mode optimizes energy consumption for a longer range. On the other hand, the Rubbee X features a torque-sensing pedal assist system, which automatically adjusts motor output depending on the rider's pedaling force. It includes Eco mode, providing minimal assistance to maximize range, Cruise mode, balancing power and efficiency for everyday riding, and Power mode, delivering maximum motor output for steep inclines and higher speeds. The Rubbee X takes the win, as its torque sensing system offers a more natural riding experience by dynamically adjusting motor assistance based on the rider's input, compared to the preset modes of the PikaBoost 2. The PikaBoost 2 stands out with its built-in fall detection and SOS alert system, which detects sudden impacts and can notify emergency contacts via a connected smartphone app. Additionally, it has integrated LED taillights, enhancing visibility in low light conditions. The Rubbee X, on the other hand, includes a regenerative braking system, which helps extend battery life by converting kinetic energy back into stored power. However, it lacks built-in lighting or emergency alert features. The LIVALL PikaBoost 2 takes the lead for its fall detection and SOS alert system and adds a critical layer of rider safety that the Rubbee X does not offer. The PikaBoost 2 connects via Bluetooth to the LIVALL mobile app, allowing riders to monitor battery status, adjust riding modes, and track their journey data. The Rubbee X also features Bluetooth connectivity, allowing users to control power levels and monitor battery life through the Rubbee mobile app. However, it lacks AI-driven adaptability. The AI-powered assistance feature provides a smarter, more customized riding experience, making the PikaBoost 2 winner in this section. Thank you for tuning in. The LIVALL PikaBoost 2 outshines the Rubbee X for most riders, offering a great blend of affordability, smart features, and safety innovations. At nearly half the price of the Rubbee X, it presents exceptional value for money. For those valuing ease of use and top-tier safety features, the LIVALL PikaBoost 2 is the clear choice. What do you think? Do you agree? Or do you have any other kits? Drop your thoughts in the comments.